Hey, this is silent solution. Today we are fixed another issue. When I enable parted talk, the time has messages warning parted module not found. But we are how to fix this issue. Let's go. First of all, we are checking collection list. Yeah, collection list I already have here, but need to our another community. Just a minute to wait. Yeah, resolution is done. Now we are again check budget doc. Yeah, budget doc is coming. We have to now see example here. But first time when I were budget command, that time is not coming. Is you have to must be installation and Ansible-galaxy projects, collection projects, and then that's we have to now check our again. It's already in installation, but that's not an installation. It must be collection communities and an installation there. The time you have to come in your budget modules. Now we are syntax 6. Yeah, our partition syntax is okay, but when we are first time is partition checking, the time is error. Now is not error. Thanks for watching.